My name's Katie Verdi. I'm Senior Manager of Marketing Technology at Panera Bread. As a company, we operate about 2,200 bakery cafes across the US and in Canada. We have one of the largest loyalty programs in the country, so we have about 60 million My Panera members. So in our previous setup, one of the biggest challenges we had was speed to market. In order to create a new My Panera reward, it would take us a few days, get it through QA testing, be able to get that on customer accounts and actually have it in market. There were a few things that stood out to us about talon.one. First, just being speed to market. So being able to create discounts in real time. We can also track all of our redemptions, being able to run multiple loyalty programs at once. Having that transparency and visibility in a single platform was a huge unlock for us. talon.one makes up our loyalty services and discount services. For us, that meant integration across our internal customer platform, all of our e-com services. In addition, we use talon.one for not just loyalty discounts, but also our non-loyalty discounts. Really, this was integration across many platforms within our IT stack. Milestones for us were getting all of our campaigns from our old environment into the talon.one environment. We built about 1,100 campaigns, being able to implement those and not have a gap between platforms, especially in the 5-month timeframe that we kind of gave ourselves to get into talon.one. Onboarding for us was very fast and furious. So our talon.one partners were great through all of that. We had multiple working sessions every week, being able to talk through new development, test new things, maybe try new things, going through training with our marketing teams. So overall for us, it was a great experience.